How to use Instagram and Facebook to build your food brand. Hey there! Welcome to our video on how to use Instagram and Facebook to build your food brand. In this video, we'll show you some tips and steps to help you build a strong food brand and promote sales through these social media platforms. Tip number 1. Create engaging content. Creating engaging content is the first step to building a strong food brand. Make sure to post high-quality images and videos of your dishes, behind-the-scenes footage of your kitchen, and any events or promotions you may have. You can also use Instagram and Facebook stories to give your followers a sneak peek into your daily operations and new menu items. Tip number 2. Use hashtags and location tags. Use relevant hashtags and location tags in your posts to increase your reach on Instagram and Facebook. This will make it easier for people searching for food-related content to find you. You can also create branded hashtags to make it easier for your followers to find and share your content. Tip number 3. Engage with your followers. Engaging with your followers is a great way to build a loyal community around your brand. Respond promptly to comments and direct messages, and ask for feedback or opinions on new menu items or promotions. You can also run contests or giveaways to encourage engagement and increase your reach. Following these tips and steps, you can use Instagram and Facebook to build a strong food brand and promote sales. Remember to create engaging content, use hashtags and location tags, and engage with your followers to build a loyal community around your brand.